Okay, on this one I had an electrical outlet and an outside light that weren't working. My first checks and my first thought was because there was an outside light connected to it that maybe it was the GFI in the bathroom, so check that first. GFI was not tripped. Second was to check all the breakers. None of the breakers were tripped. Then the next thing was to look for if the outlets were new or had been recently replaced, and that's kind of what I noticed on this one.
Got 120 volts here. Do not have 120 there. I'm taking the power loss connection behind here.
For these outlets, generally the way they're run is power comes in on the bottom on the hot and the neutral, and then the next outlet is fed from the top, hot and neutral. So the bottom is the line, the top is the load, at least usually, that is carried. And so that's kind of the first thing to check for, because if you've lost a connection somewhere, then it's not feeding to the next outlet. So that's generally how these are run. Sometimes a little different, but that's the general idea.
On the top, maybe. Yeah, here's what I found. Power's still alive, so it's way loose. See? Pushed it in without anything. So I'll just pull it out side wire.
Okay, turned off the breaker, ran it to the side wire, then turned the power back on and checking for power here.
120. This one before was dead. Yes. Alright, that's what it was. Put it back together, all set.
And of course that restored power to the switch out that controlled the light outside as well. Restored power connection.